My nails done and my toes done. You can't see my toes. And my toes done all at the same time. My room is clean. My to-do list is on my dry erase board. My car is clean. My bathroom is clean. I've journaled. It's just a great feeling.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell from the title of the video, today's video is going to be a September reset / fall reset. Y'all, I have been in dire need of getting my life together, y'all. Lately I have just been doing nothing but working and creating content. I made a list on my phone of the things that I want to get done to kind of just put me in a clear headspace to just like start my month off good. So first thing, of course, I want to clean my space. My room is pretty messy right now. I also want to deep clean my bathroom. Another thing I want to do is journal. I just really want to take some time to just like sit down, open my journal, write about the month of August and what happened and what I need to do better, and then also just write about like my intentions for September, what I want to get done, what I want to do better, what I'm letting go of, things like that. And then I also want to update my dry erase board. That's something I always do in my like for my reset routines. Another thing I need to do is I need to pack my bag for this weekend. I'm going out of town. My alma mater is having their first football game. It's a very big football game. It's a rivalry game, so I'm going there for the weekend. So I need to finish packing my bag. I also need to go to the bank, and then I also need to get a new gym membership today. And then some other things I need to get done are like maintenance things. I don't know if I'm going to include them in this video or not, but I need to get my nails, toes, and hair done. I probably won't be doing any of that today except maybe get my toes done, but I have my nail appointment tomorrow and I have a hair appointment the next day. So that's pretty much what I want to get done for this September reset routine. I'm gonna use you guys as my accountability partner. So that's why I pulled out my camera. I'm about to blast some music and I'm just about to make myself get started. So we're gonna start off with cleaning my space, and then we're gonna journal, and then we're gonna do the dry erase board. So let's just get to it. So when it came to cleaning my room, y'all, I started with clearing my bed. I don't know about y'all, but I always start with my bed when I clean my room. This day I had a bunch of junk on it, so I had to get all that off before I actually kind of like made up the bed, even though it was kind of already made. So this is me just getting all that stuff off, putting everything in its proper place, and then just straightening my bed up, fixing my throw and my pillows and everything. After that, it was time to declutter the rest of the room. So I'm just removing any objects that are not supposed to be in my room. Dirty laundry, dirty dishes, trash, anything of that nature. I'm just getting it out of there. After I decluttered, I went and got my vacuum and my dusting spray, and I just cleared everything off of my little TV mantle and my nightstands so that I could dust them. And as y'all will see, at first I was using like this little fancy dusting thing, but that was weak, y'all. I feel like I couldn't get it for real, so I ended up stop using that, and I ended up going to get a towel so I could really scrub. But I love dusting the furniture in my room, y'all. It just makes it so shiny. I always use like that furniture polish, and it just makes it look so nice.
Then I'll be more than you ever could dream of.
After dusting, I cleaned my mirror. I just sprayed some Windex, and then I used that same towel and just rubbed it down real good. I hate when it's streaks and fingerprints on my mirror. Then I went on to vacuuming. Y'all gonna see me trying to get them lines in that carpet. It's so satisfying when you see them lines. Finally, I was done cleaning my room, so I went ahead and erased everything off my dry erase board from the previous week and wrote out my new goals and to-do list. And then I have the same monthly goals, so I just kind of erased the August and wrote September. And then, of course, you know, after you clean your room, you have to light a candle, so I lit my champagne toast candle. Then moving on to the bathroom, y'all please do not judge me. My bathroom was so junky, but I always start my bathroom off by just removing everything. Like, I like to take everything off the counter, take the rugs off the floor, like just get everything out of there, and then just scrub. Just scrub it up. I usually like fill my sink up with soap and water, which y'all are gonna see me do, and then I just scrub everything down. I swept, I mopped. I like to kind of take mostly everything out of the shower too, especially anything that I'm not using anymore or that really shouldn't be in there. Take all that out. So yeah, y'all gonna see me do all that. As y'all just saw, I've checked off like 3 things off my to-do list. I cleaned my room. It's looking real nice. I also cleaned my bathroom. I didn't finish showing y'all the footage of me cleaning my bathroom because my camera had died. So I'm going to show that to y'all right now. Well, I'm going to show y'all like the results right now. So this is how the bathroom is looking. Looks really nice. I cleaned everything. Toilet, mirror, countertops, of course, the bathtub, of course. So it's looking really good, smelling good. I lit a candle. And the other thing that I did was update my dry erase calendar. Y'all saw that as well. I updated all my stuff for the week. I don't really have anything for like the weekend because like I told y'all, I'm lit this weekend. I'm turning up. I'm gonna be out having fun, so it's not gonna be no to-do list. But yeah, the only other thing I had for like inside the house was journaling. I haven't sat down and done that yet. I think I'm gonna save that for like later this evening. But I am ready to go ahead and like tackle my errands that I wanted to do. So remember, I told y'all I want to go to the bank. I want to go towards some gyms, find a new gym membership, and possibly get my toes done. So that's what we're gonna go do now. We're about to go get in the car. Okay, so I just left out of the first gym. It was really spacious. It was really colorful. I liked that it was really big. They had like 3 separate rooms for like each types of exercise. So they had like a cardio room, and then they had like a machine room, and then they had like a free weights room. So I like that. And then they had like a big area for like classes or whatever. It's also 24-hour, which I like as well. The last gym that I was at, it wasn't 24-hour, which was annoying, and it wasn't open on Sundays, and it seemed like I would always want to work out on Sundays because Sunday. But it wasn't open on Sundays. It closed at 9. It's just not very convenient. But like this one is 24-hour. And I got excited because they have Pilates, and I haven't heard of like any gyms around where I live like having Pilates classes. And y'all know all the it girls do Pilates. I mean, I don't really know anything about Pilates. I don't even know if it's something that I would truly enjoy, but all the it girls do it. Lori Harvey does it, Kyra Monique does it. They also have like cycle classes and stuff like that. So once I read that when I was walking out, I was like, oh, I can be like that girl. I can be like on my YouTube being like, yeah guys, I'm about to go to Pilates. But the thing about it is the Pilates classes are not included in the monthly price, like the monthly membership fee. I don't really like that because it's like, why am I paying a monthly membership fee but then none of the classes are included? Like I have to pay for the classes separately. Hey baddies, so today we're continuing with the September/fall reset routine. Yesterday I went and got my nails done. Look at them, so freaking cute. And I feel like this is a part of the reset routine because I mean resetting is like getting organized, but also turning yourself into a bad bitch, you know, doing your maintenance. So I got my nails done yesterday, and now I just pulled up at the nail salon because I'm gonna get my toes done and also get my hair done today. I'm also gonna go to the car wash today, and I think that's pretty much gonna be like the end of the reset routine. But I wanted to bring you guys along today too, because you know I'm doing stuff today too for the reset for the month of September. So yeah, I'm gonna have my nails done, toes done, hair done, car gonna be clean. And yeah, I just wanted to update y'all on what we doing. I just cannot stop showing y'all my nails, y'all. They're so freaking cute. This is my first time trying the, no, this is not my first time trying the almond shape, but I haven't had the almond shape in a long time. The last time I had it was like probably 2 years ago. But I really like it though. It's really cute on my hands. I have really long skinny fingers, so I feel like this shape fits. And I also really like the colors, the black and white. I feel like it's gonna match with everything. I actually have a certain outfit in mind that I can't wait to debut these nails with. So yeah, but now we're just gonna go inside the nail shop and get a pedicure. So I just left out of the nail shop. I got my toes done, got my pedicure. I'm gonna insert a video clip of my toes. They came out really cute. I just got basic white toenails. I haven't got white in a little bit, and of course I wanted it to like look good with my black and white fingernails, so I got white. You know, you can't go wrong with that. So now it is 12:30. I have a hair appointment at 1:30. So I have an hour. I'm gonna shoot to the car wash and wash my car because I literally have bags of Chick-fil-A, spilled Chick-fil-A fries, all kind of mess in this car. So I'm gonna run to the car wash, wash my car, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and go straight to the hair appointment. I think I might maybe stop by Starbucks or something and get me like a little drink or something, because I am like a little taste hungry. So maybe go to the car wash and get me a little snack. Go get my hair done, and yeah. So as y'all just saw, I cleaned my car out. It's looking real good. All I need to do now, honestly, is get some type of smell goods for my car, because like it's looking good, but there's no smells, and y'all know a smell can really take your car to the next level. So at some point I'm gonna have to find some time to buy like some type of what are they called? Y'all know, like the things that go in your vents, and maybe like a car tree or something. But for now, I'm about to get my hair done. Don't have time for that. I just pulled up at my hair appointment. I'm about 10 minutes early, but I'm gonna go ahead and go inside just because I do have to go to work this evening. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm out of here on time. I am going to a new stylist today, so y'all pray for me. Pray that my hair comes out cute. I'm gonna get the same style. I'm gonna get finger waves, but someone new is doing it, so I hope it comes out cute. But y'all know I tried a new nail tech for my nails. Well, y'all probably don't know that, but I did try a new nail tech for my nails, and they came out good. So hopefully this will come out good too. Hey y'all, so I'm back home now. After I went to the car wash, I did go ahead and go to my hair appointment. This is how my hair turned out. I think it's pretty cute. We got some big waves. So yeah, after I went and got my hair done, I went to Rainbow and got some cute jean shorts. I'm gonna show y'all real quick, even though this has nothing to do with the video, but I'll still show you guys. I got these 2 pair of jean shorts. Let me try to sit y'all down. I got this pair, just like regular high waist medium wash, and then I got like a lighter wash pair with rips. Pretty cute, and they were on sale. You know, we love a good sale. But yeah, I went to Rainbow, and then after that I just came back home. So yeah, I'm just really happy to have my hair done and my nails done and my toes done. You can't see my toes. And my toes done all at the same time. My room is clean. My to-do list is on my dry erase board. My car is clean. My bathroom is clean. You know, I've journaled. Like, it's just a great feeling. I really want to thank you guys for coming along with me for this September reset, this fall reset. And I just hope that this motivated y'all, and that y'all, you know, go ahead and get some things done too, so that you can have a prosperous and productive month. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.